Welcome to our tutorial about the wrap command. What the wrap command does is wrap two-dimensional sketches around cylindrical or conical faces or onto a flat face. And of course, there is a good reason that the wrap command is limited to cylindrical, conical, and flat faces. The geometry of these faces is known as what's called developable. And what this basically means is that these faces can be flattened without stretching. Let me give you an example to help clarify. Let's say you want to put a decal on top of a cylinder, for example, and you're able to do it without causing any wrinkles in your decal. Now, if you try to place the same decal on a spherical face, the decal will end up with wrinkles. Let's go take a look at the Wrap Tools Property Manager. Let's activate the Wrap command, Insert, Features, Wrap. First action we need to take is to select the sketch. Then we select a face to place the sketch on, and we see a preview of the flattened face. Under Wrap Parameters, we choose the Wrap method. We've got three choices: Emboss, Deboss, and Scribe. The Emboss option adds material, Deboss removes it, and the third option, Scrub, splits the face. For our example, let's use an emboss of a 1 mm thickness, and let's click OK. Let's activate the Wrap tool again. We'll use the same sketch. Let's select a face now, and let's check the reverse direction box. Let's try the Deboss method this time. Click OK, and here are our results. Let's try the Wrap tool one more time. We'll select Sketch 3, select the face upon which we'll place the sketch, and for this example, let's try the Scribe option. Click OK, and here are our results. This concludes our lesson about the Wrap command.